Hello, mate. Hello, mate. Hello, mate. For centuries now, chemists have been studying and making new chemical compounds through synthesis in hopes of making better chemicals. But as good as they were, they never managed to make the best chemicals. So, to show my absolute domination on them, in this video, I have the honor to present to you the tar synthesis. Hell yeah. In only one step, by the way. You see, the synthesis requires special reaction conditions only found in my lab. See? Okay, let's start with the procedure. The first step is pretty simple because you just need to prepare an organic synthesis. And while the real chemists like to go through academic literature and, publish paper, whatever, I usually prefer to copy a random procedure from a very talented YouTuber, like Prussian Blue or Explosions and Fire, because both of them are pretty damn good at fucking things up. Am I not right? The second step is the choice of reagents, and of course for them the cheaper the better, so I like to get them the less pure possible. So for example, I think I have some 60% sulfur, some yellow sulfuric acid, some yellow salicylic acid, and some yellow benzene. And for the things that are usually yellow, I like to have them in the opposite color. So for example, I have some brick red nickel nitrate, which is usually kinda green when pure. The third and final step is my favorite because it's when you have to fuck things up. Basically, you take your procedure on your reagents, and if they are not bad enough to tar up by themselves, you can give them a little help by not following the procedure. For example, let's say if you want to do a classic esterification to make ethyl acetate from acetic acid and ethanol. I would usually prefer using balsamic vinegar and some good Russian vodka instead of pure reagents. Also, I recommend adding 100 times the amount of sulfuric acid needed because it will help the tarring process. And of course, never respect the amount of heat and time needed. I personally like to do twice the heat and 10 times the time. Kinda hard to say, innit? With all of that said, if you're still a tar virgin and didn't manage to make any, consider getting a real job in a professional lab.